Hello everyone, we are back with Glen Velvet Reviews here, and we got a mat for the cat, kind of a rhyme, whatever. Let's check out the mat that I got. This is going to be a real quick review of the mat. It's called a pet bowl mat. We got this off Amazon. It had really good reviews. We're going to see the size of it so you guys can see if it works out for you. I'll get a measuring tape. I got a measuring tape right now. We'll see how big this is. Let's open this up right now real quick. Alright, so we're going to open this up right now and we're going to see what this looks like. So this is the pet bowl mat. It's a microfiber, machine washable, absorbent, fast drying. I have one of these mats for my dishes and they work really well. I like them. This is how big it looks. And this is the plan. This is what it's going to look like on top of the cat tray. Maybe you could fit the other.
I think it's bigger than that, though.
You thought it was bigger than that?
No, I thought the bowls were bigger.
Oh.
No, I mean the water fountain. The water fountain might need its own.
Might need its own little thing.
All right.
So this is kind of what it looks like of what we're putting on the sides. This is what it is. So I'm going to measure this for you. It is 21 inches by 12 and a half inches. 21 inches by 12 and a half inches is the size. It comes with the microfiber. It does absorb water. I've used this before with my dishes and it does work. So you can see it with other review. I did a review a couple of months ago, maybe a year ago, on the other microfiber that I had, and it does work. So it does absorb, and you can wash this, and it's machine washable and stuff like that. All right, so that's it for Glen Velvet Reviews on this. Any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, join me on my review adventures and subscribe to my channel. I always put up stuff to help you guys out with making decisions and stuff like that, of spending your money on anything you guys might need, or whatever the case may be, on your pets, or anything that I really put on. All right, so everyone be safe, have a good one, enjoy, bye-bye.